Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim, and just a quick update on the burgers and beer build. Truck's coming along nice. Frame's just about all done. I've got all these parts here. I was hoping to get some color on it today, and it's been raining all day, and I'm painting lacquer, so not a good day to paint lacquer. And that's about it. Hoping maybe tomorrow. It's supposed to rain maybe in the morning, but hopefully I can get some. I'm going to be painting white first on it, so I'll get some white on it. I'm not using the decal stripes that come with it. I'm going to do my own. And let me bring it down. I'll get you a little closer look at the what's going on here. And with that, here we go. Like I said, the chassis, the frame's pretty well done. Got all the brake canisters on it. The winch is detailed up now. I got it all cabled up with the red hooks. It's just sitting there. It's not mounted. Seats are done. They're not mounted yet either, but they're done. I've been working on the dash. Here's the engine's done. Got the fuel tanks on, the air tanks on, battery boxes on both sides. It's coming along good. And here's all the parts waiting for paint. You know, it's the only problem painting lacquer. I don't use any kind of retarder or anything. I'd rather just wait a day. And I'm going to paint the white first. And I'll mask that off, and then I'm going to paint the blue, and then I'll do all the stripes with the red. And that's about it. You know, it's going to be cool when it's done. I'll go forward to it. I just ordered a couple more trucks. I'm going to do a couple more trucks. Hobby Lobby had a pretty big sale on them. Able to get 2 of these big trucks, not Macks, but other ones for under $30, $29, which is a great buy for the trucks. And put you back up on the stand, and we'll finish up for today. Okay, so that's about it for this one. And like I said, it's all coming out great. Hopefully maybe tomorrow I'll get some paint on the all the body panels. And hope everybody's doing well out there. It's Saturday night, and hope everybody's there at their benches building some models. If not, spending quality time with the family. And with that, I'm going to say goodbye. First, if anybody wants a shop card and a sticker, I just mailed out a couple this week. And hit me up with your address in the comments or an email, and I will get one out to you. And if you have a shop card, I'd like to have your shop card. And with that, I'm going to say peace. Take care, happy modeling, and I'll see you on the next video, which will be the reveal of my Revell 29A, which is finished. And I'm real happy how it came out. So take care, goodbye, till next time.